spaces into extraordinary environments. Today, we're diving into the world of two-tier deck design, and let's learn about the benefits, design ideas, and best items to elevate your outdoor living space. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. This innovative design choice can dramatically transform your outdoor space, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. Let's explore what two-tier decks are, their benefits, and how to create a stunning outdoor oasis. A two-tier deck is a deck structure with two levels, typically connected by stairs or a ramp. This design offers a unique and versatile way to maximize your outdoor space, creating distinct areas for different activities. A two-tier deck offers a multitude of benefits that can significantly enhance your outdoor living experience. By adding a second level to your deck, you can create a more versatile and functional space that caters to various activities and preferences. Here are some of the benefits of choosing a two-tier deck design. Ergonomic furniture. Invest in a comfortable and adjustable desk, chair, and monitor stand to ensure optimal comfort and productivity. Adequate lighting. Natural light is ideal, but supplement with task lighting and overhead fixtures to create a well-lit workspace. Storage solutions. Keep your space organized with shelves, drawers, and cabinets to store essential supplies and documents. Personal touches. Add personal items like artwork, plants, or decorative objects to make your office feel inviting and inspiring. Fifth, unique aesthetic. Two-tier decks add a distinctive and eye-catching element to your home. To truly maximize the potential of your two-tier deck, it's essential to equip it with the right elements. By carefully selecting the best items, you can create a functional, comfortable, and aesthetically pleasing outdoor space. Here are the list of best items for backyard two-tier decks that you can consider to add. 1. Outdoor furniture. Comfortable seating, dining sets, and lounge areas are essential for enjoying your deck. 2. Barbecue or grill. A cooking area adds functionality and makes entertaining easy. 3. Fire pit or fireplace. Create a cozy atmosphere for evening gatherings. 4. Outdoor lighting. Illuminate your deck for safety and ambience. 5. Plants and flowers. Add greenery and color to your outdoor space. 6. Water features. A small fountain or pond can enhance the tranquility of your deck. 7. Privacy screens. Create a secluded retreat with privacy screens or trellises. 8. Outdoor rugs. Define different areas and add warmth to your deck. 9. Outdoor storage. Keep your deck organized with storage solutions like benches or cabinets. 10. Solar-powered features. Incorporate sustainable elements like solar-powered lights or fans. Now that you have the perfect two-tier deck structure in place, it's time to turn it into a personalized outdoor oasis. Let's explore some decorating tips to help you create a space that reflects your style and enhances your outdoor living experience. Here are some tips for how to decorate a two-tier deck design to look good. First, choose a theme. Decide on a design style that reflects your personal preferences. Second, create a focal point. A striking feature, such as a fireplace or water fountain, can draw attention. Third, balance the levels. Ensure both levels are visually appealing and functional. Fourth, use color wisely. Create a cohesive look with complementary colors. Fifth, add texture. Incorporate various textures to add interest and depth. Sixth, consider lighting. Choose lighting that enhances the atmosphere and highlights key features. Seventh, accessorize. Personalize your deck with decorative elements like pillows, throws, and artwork. Now, let's embark on a journey of inspiration as we explore 10 exceptional two-tier deck design ideas. These concepts showcase the versatility and beauty of this architectural feature, offering a variety of options to suit your personal style and outdoor living needs. Here are the compilation of the top 10 best two-tier deck design ideas. 1. Elevated dining area. Create a separate space for dining with a higher level. 2. Relaxation retreat. Design a peaceful retreat with comfortable seating and soft lighting. 3. Entertainment hub. Incorporate a bar area, fire pit, and outdoor kitchen for entertaining. 4. Zen garden. Create a tranquil oasis with plants, water features, and natural materials. 5. Modern minimalism. Opt for clean lines, neutral colors, and sleek furniture. 6. Rustic charm. Embrace natural materials like wood and stone for a rustic aesthetic. 7. Mediterranean style. Incorporate terracotta tiles, vibrant colors, and potted plants. 8. Tropical paradise. Create a tropical escape with lush greenery, hammocks, and tiki torches. 9. Industrial chic. Combine exposed metal, concrete, and reclaimed wood for a modern industrial look. 10. Eclectic mix. Blend different styles and elements for a unique and personalized design. A two-tier deck offers endless possibilities for creating a beautiful and functional outdoor living space. By carefully considering your needs, style, and budget, you can design a deck that enhances your home and provides countless hours of enjoyment. Ready to transform your backyard? Visit our channel at Homes Decor Designs to get more two-tier deck project inspiration and get started on creating your dream outdoor oasis. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.